pilots. That was some expert flying out there. As the train enters the loading hangar, your restraint will automatically unlock. At this time, you may raise your restraint, stand up, and exit quickly to the left. Thank you for flying Stunt Pilot.
You can now join and become a member of Attraction Spot and be a part of the AS fam. All you have to do is head over to our YouTube channel and click join. Then you can become a member and get exclusive perks, such as a custom badge and comments and live chat that gets more exclusive the longer you have your membership, from 1 month all the way to 2 years. Early access to our new videos, exclusive community tab posts, be a featured member on our videos, and custom emojis. All you have to do is click join. The monthly subscription amount may be different depending on which country you live in, and some countries may currently not offer it. Fill out the payment information, click buy, and that's it. You're now part of the AS fam.